The world is witnessing an unprecedented surge in artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a transformative force reshaping industries. This rapid evolution has given rise to a new breed of companies. These AI startups are achieving valuations that once took decades. They are attracting massive investments and disrupting established markets. This phenomenon is often described as making billions overnight. Several key factors fuel this explosive growth. Advances in computing power, especially GPUs, have made complex AI models feasible. The availability of vast datasets is another critical component. These datasets train sophisticated algorithms, leading to more accurate and powerful AI. Open source frameworks and collaborative research also accelerate development. This ecosystem fosters rapid innovation. The increasing demand for automation and intelligent solutions across all sectors drives adoption. Businesses seek AI to enhance efficiency, personalize experiences, and gain competitive advantages. This widespread need creates fertile ground for new ventures. AI's impact is broad, but some sectors are experiencing particularly dramatic shifts. In healthcare, AI assists with drug discovery, diagnostics, and personalized treatment plans. This leads to faster, more precise medical interventions. Finance leverages AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. AI-powered tools enhance security and optimize investment strategies. Customer service is revolutionized by intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants. Creative industries are seeing AI generate content, design, and even music. Education benefits from personalized learning platforms and adaptive assessments. These diverse applications highlight AI's versatility. The term overnight billions reflects the speed at which some AI startups achieve unicorn status. This rapid valuation is often driven by groundbreaking technology and strong market fit. Venture capitalists are pouring unprecedented sums into promising AI ventures. Early-stage companies with innovative models can quickly scale. Their solutions often address critical pain points across various industries. This attracts significant investment rounds, propelling their market value. The competitive landscape also plays a role. Investors are eager to back the next big AI breakthrough. This intense interest can inflate valuations rapidly, creating a high-stakes environment. Despite the excitement, the AI boom presents challenges. The intense competition for top AI talent is fierce. Companies must invest heavily in attracting and retaining skilled professionals. Ethical considerations surrounding data privacy and algorithmic bias are paramount. Responsible AI development is crucial for long-term success and public trust. Regulatory frameworks are still evolving to keep pace. Sustainability of these rapid valuations is also a concern. Not every AI startup will succeed, and market corrections are possible. Due diligence and a clear path to profitability remain essential. For students and educators, understanding this AI revolution is vital. The demand for AI literacy and specialized skills is skyrocketing. Future careers will increasingly involve collaborating with AI systems. Curricula must adapt to include AI fundamentals, data science, and ethical AI principles. Practical experience with AI tools and platforms will be invaluable. Lifelong learning in AI will become a necessity. Educators can guide students to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These human-centric abilities will complement AI capabilities. Preparing for an AI-driven world is a collective responsibility. The rise of AI startups making billions overnight is a testament to technological progress. It signifies a profound shift in how industries operate and create value. This era presents immense opportunities. It also demands careful consideration of ethical implications and workforce development. By understanding these dynamics, we can better navigate the future. The AI revolution is just beginning.